everyone, and welcome back to Be Successful, your favorite development channel, the place you always leave smarter than you came. Today we will talk about an NFT project from our friends at FixxFi, a project with real potential, developed on the Elrond network blockchain. Non-fungible tokens are digital collectibles that hold unique data, live on the blockchain, and cannot be copied or reproduced. This means that each NFT is uniquely identifiable and can only exist once in the world. There are currently a significant number of people buying non-fungible tokens. For example, in April and May alone, more than 30,000 unique wallets bought NFTs from popular marketplaces such as nonfungible.com on any given day. This is down slightly from the 39,000 buyers throughout March, but still up significantly compared to less than 10,000 in 2020 for most months, with only 1,000 or 2,000 individual sellers each time. And in this new NFT market, FixxFi is also making its appearance because many people have seen the potential and utility of this market. The FixxFi NFT is an innovative and decentralized way to bring more value to the most loyal investors. By purchasing Fix tokens from token sale rounds, investors get unique NFTs that come with cutting-edge utility. This is an NFT with real-world connections, an innovative, decentralized approach that modernizes the traditional dividend system. The fund will be matched against a percentage of the company's profits to determine the size of the pool and will be introduced in the future to expand the core service first. NFT holders will be able to access an exclusive staking model where NFT holders can deposit their official FixxFi NFTs into a smart contract and receive rewards in the form of Fix tokens, which are distributed based on the number of NFTs in the staking and their rarity. The staking rewards allocation of the single stake pool has its own one-year linear issuance schedule, meaning it is not shared with any other pool or farm. The FixxFi NFT was introduced to bring more value to our early investors and to boost fundraising. NFTs are divided into different types and allow holders to access different services and incentives depending on the type. To our early investors and to boost fundraising. NFTs are divided into different types and allow holders to access different services and incentives depending on the type. The higher the investment during the token sale, the higher the type of NFT available to be whitelisted for free NFT mining. In order to be whitelisted and to be able to mine a free NFT, the Fix investor must purchase the Fix token during the token sale, and depending on the investment made, will receive specific NFTs, which are cumulative. The qualification criteria for an NFT is through an investment in a single transaction. We see this as an industrial revolution in the automotive industry, making everything simpler and more user-friendly. And because embedded finance enables the integration of financial services into non-financial businesses, giving customers frictionless, more convenient, and faster access to banking transactions when and where they need them. Using banking as a service, FixxFi takes advantage of the point of repair situation, exploiting the digital inequality of conventional banks, and gives customers access to their approved line of credit when they need it most through their digital wallet, FixxFi. Buying digital artwork is becoming easier for a wider set of people. Many bids and odd sales are going on, which you can get an edge on if you read our statistics on NFTs, non-fungible tokens, and blockchain. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, are the future of digital asset ownership. There are some brilliant NFTs to look out for that can be highly profitable. As they become more popular, what will be your strategy to compete? The NFT statistics and market size facts for 2022 provide a glimpse into how big this trend is becoming for marketers. This post outlines all you need to know about non-fungible token trends, so that you can get ahead of them by incorporating them into your marketing plan today. If you want to become a FixxFi partner, your repair company must register and enter your company details in the FixxFi application. The team will perform a KYC verification to check the authenticity of the business. After confirmation, the repair business will be authorized on the platform and will receive a unique identification number. Each repair business partner has to pay the monthly license fee of €20 to enter the appropriate section of the app. The customer must first complete the KYC procedure through the app to get approval for the credit line. Once submitted, the customer will receive a score, and based on this, an available amount will be added to their digital wallet in the FixxFi app. This can be used on any FixxFi repair deal, and the customer can tailor the repayment schedule to their needs via the FixxFi calculator. Thank you for listening. Please tell us what you think about the FixxFi project, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take care of your money.